Hi everybody, Levi Clay here, back again for another daily transcription. If you want to help the channel out, please do hit that subscribe button. It is a huge help. Today we are going to be looking at Mr. Hank Garland, one of the earlier jazz country guys. And I think the problem when you think of any of those earlier guys, there's not all that much video footage of them. There's some video footage of Hank, but this is really the best piece of footage that we have. There are definitely bits and pieces of him playing with other people, but this is a very nice shot piece of footage, and it was inevitable that this was going to happen because he had such a hit in the early days with the song Sugarfoot Rag. So this is Sugarfoot Rag. Very interesting to watch him play because he does a lot of things that I kind of tell my students not to do. You'll see him fingering his pentatonic patterns using fingers 2 and 4 a lot, which is very interesting to see. Hank is an incredibly important influence on that early jazz guitar and country mix sound. Lovely bit of slapback delay on all of the guitar here, which is very much a part of the sound at the time. They like kind of exploring the technologies that they had available to them. I would encourage you to go and check out more of Hank's playing because not only was he a huge influence, he was a wonderful player. And I think, obviously, if you are a huge influence on people, you're probably going to be a wonderful player. So here's Mr. Hank Garland. Hit that subscribe button and I'll see you for another video tomorrow. Later.